how to check basement and kernel variant on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on about phone. You will see about phone is here, so click on about phone. Now here, scroll down and you will see third option is software information. So click on software information. So after click on software information, scroll down. You will see kernel variant is here and baseband variant is here. So if you want to check baseband variant, so you will see check baseband variant from here. So if you want to check kernel variant, so click on kernel variant, check kernel variant from here. So after check baseband variant and kernel variant from here, so after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can check baseband and kernel variant on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.